They ghosted you, unfollowed you, replaced you like you were nothing. You felt the urge to scream, to text, to ask why, but you didn't. You paused. You took a breath. Because deep down, you realized, they don't deserve a reaction. You're not going to block them. You're not going to beg them. You're going to do something far more powerful. You'll stay calm, focus forward, and let your silence speak volumes. Because when you stop chasing and start glowing, that's when it hits them hard. You don't need to make a scene to be heard. In fact, silence speaks louder than any angry message ever could. When you don't react, don't explain, and don't try to prove your worth, it messes with them more than any words. They expect drama, begging, maybe even tears. But you give them nothing. Just peace. And that peace, it haunts them. They'll keep checking your status, watching your stories, looking for signs that you're still hurting. But you won't give them the satisfaction. You'll be silent, calm, unbothered, and in that stillness, they'll hear the loudest truth. You moved on. Let your progress speak for you. Hit the gym. Fix your routine. Level up your mindset. Not for them, for you. There's power in showing up for yourself, especially when they expected you to fall apart. Post nothing, but become everything. When your skin glows, your confidence returns, and your smile is real again, they'll feel it without you saying a word. The glow-up they never believed you'd achieve? It's happening. Quietly. Powerfully. They'll hear about it through whispers, mutual friends, or scrolling late at night. And it'll hit them, not because you flaunted your growth, but because you outgrew their version of you. You didn't beg. You didn't block. You just transformed. You don't need revenge. You need results. Every step forward you take, a new job, new mindset, new peace, is a silent slap to everything they thought you couldn't be without them. You don't post for attention. You don't flaunt for validation. You just move differently now. While they scroll through life, wondering if they still live rent-free in your mind, you're too busy building a life they can't enter. Success is the clapback they never expected, and it cuts deeper because it's quiet. They'll see your wins, hear your name, and realize you never needed them to begin with. You didn't argue. You didn't explain. You just elevated, and left them watching from the bottom. They don't deserve access to your healing. Stop giving them updates. Lock your stories, change your privacy, post less. Let them wonder where you are, who you're with, how you're doing. That silence. It gets louder in their head every day. People expect chaos after they hurt you. Tears, drama, breakdowns. But when they hear nothing, it unsettles them. They'll scroll through your profile hoping for clues, ask mutuals how you've been. But you won't give them anything. Just distance. Just growth. Just mystery. Let them sit with their choices, while you protect your peace. Don't announce your healing. Don't broadcast your bounce back. Let them guess. Let them feel it. Because the unknown hurts more than the truth. Don't waste your energy reacting. Rise. Let them keep expecting the old version of you, the one who begged, cried, over-explained. But you've outgrown all of that. Now, your silence is strategy. Your growth is power. Take the pain they gave you and turn it into purpose. Hit your goals, protect your peace, and walk with pride. They'll look back, hoping to get under your skin again, but they won't recognize who you've become. You didn't scream. You didn't chase. You just evolved. And that evolution, it's untouchable. When you rise instead of react, they don't get closure, they get consequences. Let them live with the echo of who you used to be, while you keep rising.